Why, hello there! I'm the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, and today I'm gonna teach you the dangers of fireworks. Should be very educational. Why, look, it's Abraham Lincoln. What are you up to today, Mr. Lincoln? Well, 407 margaritas ago, I was sober, but now I'm drunker than Teddy Roosevelt on a Saturday night. Oh, and just so you know, I plan on emancipating my wee-wee at some point tonight, if you know what I'm talking about, Stay Puft. Totally. I know what that's about. But hey, you want to come with me and teach these people the dangers of fireworks? No, thank you. I am a raging alcoholic, and I need to drink. I love alcohol, but good luck to you, Mr. Stay Puft. Well, alright then. Let's do this. Alright, we're lighting the fuse now. Remember, don't do this at home. Ah! Ow! Oh my god! That fucking hurt! As you can see, fireworks are very dangerous, so be careful. Well, I'm out of here. I'm going square dancing with Zool and Gozer. Happy 4th of July!